Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Color Underwater LED Spa Light 12-volt 100-foot cord. The new IntelliBrite 5G Color Spa lights provide the most energy-efficient and bright lighting ever. By combining different individual LEDs, you can achieve a vibrant spectrum of colors. These combinations are power sequenced to illuminate and cycle through colors at varying speeds and in different sequences of color. With its custom reflector and unique lens design, the IntelliBrite 5G light is the brightest and most efficient underwater spa light available. In addition, Pentair's IntelliBrite automated controller is recommended for use with the IntelliBrite color lights to allow light colors to automatically rotate. Features: a superior reflector design. Works with IntelliTouch or EasyTouch control systems. Pool lens can provide wide beam pattern or narrow beam pattern. Consumes up to 50% less energy than competitors' lights. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.